calling me? James, you're a scammer. Bye. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a luxury unboxing, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got because honestly, I've been eyeing this product for a minute now, but I've been really hesitant to get it just because I'm more of a big to medium sized bag type of person. So I got me another Louis, okay, Louis Vuitton, okay, I love me some Louis. And if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. Follow me and hit me up on Instagram if you guys have any questions. This is the box. And once I open it, you guys are probably gonna know if you're very familiar with like luxury designer stuff. And this is what it comes with besides the box. And this is the bag. It's so cute and so tiny. Like, she is very adorable, very cute. Yeah, first let me zip it up just to show you guys how it looks. Look at the details of it. It's so freaking beautiful. And the zippers. And right here it says LV. I was debating if I should have got the other print, but I feel like this is like more of a classic print and more of a known print, so I decided just to get this one. Maybe next time I'll get the other print. Plus with the other print, it has red inside, and this one only has brown inside, or like a tan. But that's fine for me. Like, I really don't care. It still looks really cute. I love the little chain on it. Like, you can do so many things with the chain. Too bad the chain does not come off. That's one little thing I don't like about it. And this is what it looks like from the other side and the bottom. And it looks like it could fit a lot in here too. So I'm so excited to show you guys what can fit in here. But yeah, like I was saying with the chain, it does not come off, unfortunately. But you can attach this to a different bag, or you can just attach it on like this and like wear it like this. And maybe you can add another chain and put a chain on here and just have this as like a little design. Like, I don't know, you can do a lot of creative things with this, but most likely I am going to be wearing the chain just like how it came. So just like this. It's so beautiful. Like, I gotta name her. I need to start naming my bags, but I feel like that's doing too much. Is that doing too much? I just call all my bags little Louis. Like Louis, Louis V, Louis Vuitton, you know, just playing around, stuff like that. But yeah, this is really cute. I'm so thankful that I have this. Like, it's so cute. I keep saying that, but yeah, I'm about to show you guys what can fit inside. And actually, I'm about to try it on right now. And by the way, of course, it came with like the extra information and like the receipts and all that stuff, and like the ownership of the little bag. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this box to the side, and I am going to keep the box. It's so cute. Like, look at this box. Like, I could just like leave it right here, like have it here. I can have this right here for now. I am 5 feet and I'm pretty petite, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks on me. And first, let me just move this. But yeah, right now I'm wearing some leggings and a nice cute shirt that I got from Amazon. I'll link it below. This is how it looks on me. Doesn't it look so cute? You can style it up like this, or you can wear it like this. Like, it fits on my arms, thank God, because if it didn't, I feel like I really wouldn't get it, because it's like, you know, like I want to do a lot of things with it, even though it's like really small and really tiny. But yeah, this is really cute. Or you can wear it like this, or you can wear it in the front like this too, but I feel like it looks a little bit weird, so this part right here looks way better in the back in my opinion. This bag is perfect like for all year round if you want to, but personally I would mainly wear this like as like a little bag for like the spring or summer, so you don't have to like carry so much, especially when it's hot. Like you don't want to do all that sometimes. I had gathered everything that I would personally put in the Mini Pochette, so I'm gonna show you guys what I have in it so far. And honestly, I can also put my insulin in here too, but I didn't add that in there just because I just want to show you guys what you can put in it, you know, not just like for me but also for you guys, like to give you guys some ideas. First things first that I have up top is a lip liner, and it's just the NYX lip liner in the color Los Angeles. Then I have a mini sample perfume of the ULTA par Elle Naturel. I don't know, so many sample perfume that I got at Kohl's. Then I have my little mini MAC lipstick in the color Velvet Teddy. So I'm gonna show you guys what Velvet Teddy looks like if you don't know. A very known popular MAC lipstick. You can get the mini size at Ulta too. I believe it's like $10, I don't know, but yeah, I got that as a birthday gift from Ulta like some years back. Then I have my mini native deodorant, and it's the vanilla and chai. Make sure you guys go get this because it smells really good. You can have this as your backup just in case if you forgot your regular deodorant, and I got that at Target. Then I have my AirPods. Usually I have a case on them, but just for the sake of this video I just took it out and just put it in here. But yeah, I just have the regular AirPods. They fit perfectly in here. Then lastly, I have my little LV key pouch. Actually, no, not lastly. I have a hair tie in here because, you know, your hair can be in the way sometimes. But now, lastly, I have my LV key pouch, and you could put your house keys on here or like car keys on here, and like put cards, money in here. And it fits perfectly in here too without no issue. It really sucks that I cannot fit my phone in here. I have the iPhone 11, not Pro or Max. I literally have the regular iPhone 11 and it does not fit, but that's okay. I'm sorry, I forgot one more thing. A little mini nail file. You can fit that in here too. Okay, now that's all that's in here that you can fit without it making it look all bulky and stuff. You can still have its shape in here while you can put all of those products that I showed you guys. Follow me and hit me up on Instagram if you guys have any questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the Harmony. I'm almost at 25k. Right now I'm at 22.6k. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel to join the Harmony and click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So yeah, I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.